Can humans teach machines how to see? The ETH spin-off View Engineering is offering autonomous visual inspection system that can learn from manufacturing operators how to detect defects. Today, at the end of every production line, there are still operators inspecting the products. The reason is because visual defects are very complex to detect, and manufacturers don't always have the resources to build complex machine learning systems. The cost to develop visual machine learning solution in manufacturing is very high, as the data to create the system is very scarce and very expensive to collect. Therefore, our solution integrates with the work of the operators and learn from them what are the defects. Then, after that, the system is automatically able to detect the defects and the operators only need to monitor the system. Manufacturers don't need to hire a machine learning engineer or pay huge amount of money to collect and annotate data in order to satisfy their customers' quality standards. We already have interest in aeronautics, medical tooling, and watchmaking industries.